Everybody, this is Viet Packy. I'm just picking up my friend Jiun. Hey. Okay, we're gonna go for a little ride, head up to one of the rooftops. Let's see if this works. Okay, so remember everything I told you, okay? If I lean, you lean with me. When you look on this side or this side, but not straight, because we bump heads. Okay. Ready? Yeah, this foot first. Yeah, there you go. And lift the other one over. There you go. Just like that. Okay. If you ever want me to pull over because you want to readjust or something, you just let me know.
Okay.
Okay? Easy stuff. Okay. No, it's fine. Just like a scooter. Easy. When we get moving, it's really fun. I'll take you to a place on West 4th. And when you're sitting behind me, relax, have fun. I've taken many friends before. I might put some of this on my channel, is that okay?
Yeah.
Cool. Is it hot? How's Ashley doing?
She's good. She has a boyfriend.
Oh.
She's in Korea.
Yeah, cool. In Korea?
Yeah. I'm going to Korea at the end of February.
Oh, I see. So right now we're gonna head to Darby's public house, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, check out the patio there, rooftop. I'm with my friend Jiun. Supposedly we haven't hung out since 2011 or 2012. I'm not sure what happened, but now we're gonna try to make it more frequent. And the fact that she hasn't seen any of the crew, like Santa and Alan and everybody, it's been quite a while. I've been the only one that she's been in touch with from the group that I know of.
Every day?
Almost every day.
And you also drive, right?
Yeah. I don't drive too much in the summertime because I have this, but when I do drive, it's mostly when it rains. Right? I only have this motorbike insurance for 6 months, so it ends beginning of September, and then I go back to using the bus or driving. There you go. That's the one. Ready? Yeah. Watch your step. There you go. Nicely done. Was fun? Is it? Cool. Ready? We're gonna take it off now. Let's see. Okay, big push. Pull it from here. Pull it from these things. Those straps. The strap underneath, and push up. Your ear? Oh, the earring got caught. Is it okay? Yeah. So I was saying that, yeah. So next, for this one, right? Push it like this, and then you pull it out. So you pull it. See, you widen. Good job. Good job. You made it. Good job. All right. Have you been here before? No.
Is it safe to park like that?
Oh yeah. Yeah, no
What
problem.
if somebody...
Steal it? No, it's daytime and it's really heavy. Yeah, yeah. No problem. Yeah. Hi. Is your patio open?
Yeah, you did.
Cool, thanks. Let's go check it out. Nice. Where do you want to sit? Here? Here? Sure. Let's do it. Yeah, it's fine. Let's do this one. Cool.
But you wanna sit there and hide.
Yeah?
If it's better for you.
Oh, no, just whatever. Yeah? Put here? Okay, I'll sit here. Let's sit here instead. Hi, how's it going? Oh. Thank you.